Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this rewards website, the survey website called Rewards1, all right? And you're wondering, can you actually make money by filling out surveys, downloading offers, playing games, that sort of thing? They've been around since 2007. So let's take a look at Rewards1. Is this a waste of your time? How much money can you really earn? That's a big question, okay? So at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, minimum 100% online from home, you can just click the link below. I'll send you the training directly to your email for free. All right, now let's take a look at Rewards1. I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different survey style websites like Rewards1. These guys are one of the OGs. They've been around for a long time. So if I scroll down, you can kind of see exactly how this works, right? And the cool thing about Rewards1 is that anybody can get access to this. So you can be based pretty much anywhere in the world. It's a global website. You can just sign up here with Google. You can log in and create your own email and username if you want. And when you go into the back office, it's very, very simple. All you'll see is you'll get access to a few different types of surveys that you can fill out and offers, right? So this is how it works. Rewards1 is a survey aggregate website. That means they work with a lot of very large legit survey companies like opinion surveys, Theorem Reach, for example, and you set up your profile here. They ask you a few pre-qualification questions depending on where you live in the world, your demographic, your interest, stuff like that. And based on that, their partners will send you surveys that you can fill out. Okay, so whenever you fill out a survey, you will earn anywhere from 20 cents all the way up to roughly about $2 per survey. Some surveys take 15 minutes, some will take 30 minutes, some take a little bit longer, all right? Now, roughly every single day, you could probably fill out a couple of surveys, maybe 2 or 3 surveys, not that many, okay? So the thing about Rewards1 and a lot of survey websites is that you can't sit there and fill out 100 surveys a day because you won't have 100 surveys available to you. All right, but the good thing about an aggregate website like Rewards1 is that you can get more surveys than just signing up directly with a survey company like Theorem Reach or Opinion Survey. So that's a good thing. All right, so again, expect to fill out maybe 2-3 surveys a day. If you're making 20 cents per survey, 50 cents per survey, you can already see that you might be able to earn $1.50, maybe $2, that sort of thing. Okay, the other thing that they have is they have offers, right? So the way offers work is that they work with offer companies like AdGate or Revenue Universe, for example. And you can download offers where you have to basically do certain things in order for you to get a rebate or get a bonus or get some money. All right. So for example, one of the offers might be for you to download a game and play it and reach level 50 before they give you back a rebate of $10 or something like that, right? So there's all sorts of different offers. The problem with offers though is a lot of them require you to jump through a lot of hoops. Some will even require you to spend money before they rebate you money. So for example, there might be an offer where you have to download the app and then spend $50 on the app and then they will rebate you $20. So again, it's kind of like, well, you're not really making money because you have to spend your own money first. So it depends on the offer and you just need to be a little bit careful, okay? So all in all, Rewards1, I think it's a pretty cool GPT survey style website. You can fill out surveys, you can download offers, right? And the payouts are really, really good. So you can, opt for gift cards or PayPal or gaming codes or cryptocurrency or even virtual Visa cards. That's how you can get paid out. And if you're at the lowest level, your threshold to withdraw is $5. That means you have to make at least $5 before you can withdraw your money. And as you earn more points and you rank up on Rewards1, then you can withdraw even if you only have $1. Okay, so it just depends on what level that you're at. But $5 is not a high threshold. You can get to $5 in maybe 2, 3, 4 days if you spend a couple of hours a day on Rewards1, and then you can already withdraw your money. So I would say Rewards1 overall as a survey GPT style website is pretty decent. They've been around for a long time, since 2007. Okay, what you can expect to earn on this website is basically about $2 to $3 a day if you're spending 2 to 3 hours on the website. On average, a GPT style website like this that's legit and has been around for a while, okay, and works with all the big survey companies and all the big offer companies that we just spoke about, and I've seen all these guys, that they're actually very, very legitimate, right? You earn on average between 80 cents and $1 per hour on a website like this. So don't expect to get rich. It is real money, right? And you can really earn 80 cents to $1 per hour if you spend the right amount of time on it. But again, you know, it's not that much money. If you're spending 2 to 3 hours a day on a website, that's a lot of time to spend, and you're making, you know, pretty small money. That's less than minimum wage. Now, if you live in a country where $2 to $3 a day is life-changing, then I highly recommend that you check out Rewards1, right? But if you live in a country where, you know, $2-3 extra a day, that's like, you know, maybe $80 to $100 a month extra, isn't really going to change your life. Like, for most people, $100 a month isn't really life-changing. You can't travel the world, you can't retire, you can't you know, do the things that you want, you can't live an amazing lifestyle. It's just an extra $100, you know, which is pretty easy for most people to make a month, right? Especially if you're spending 3 hours a day on a website. That's a lot of time to spend. Think about it, right? If you do the math on that, that is like, you know, 90 hours a month. That's a lot of time to spend online, okay? To make an additional only $90 to $100. It's not much money, all right? So if that's you, then, you know, maybe perhaps I think there are better ways to spend your time. But as a GPT style website, it's legitimate. It's been around for a long time. You really can make money for free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to invest in the website, which is pretty cool, okay? Now, if you're watching this video right now, you might be someone who is interested in making more money online. Maybe you want to make a side income. Maybe you want to make a full-time income, but you don't know how, right? Maybe you stumbled upon Rewards1. Look, there are a lot of different ways to make money online, right? Lots of different business models. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars. I've reviewed hundreds and thousands of different ways to make money online now, and still till today, my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum, 100% from home, is a specific way to do it, and I'm happy to send you that strategy if you want to check that out. Just go ahead and click the link below. Go ahead and put in your email. I'll send you that training for free. Make sure you check your spam folder, because sometimes email ends up in spam. And enjoy the training. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Rewards1, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.